guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keara here. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to all so you guys don't miss any more videos. Today we're working out of the Juviasplace palette. Believe it, that one's called Ice. And this palette is like amazing. Look at that pressed glitter though. That pressed glitter is like bomb. So I was thinking it's getting cold out, so let's do like a little winter look. And also I feel like this look here, you can wear it for Christmas, New Year's, and I feel like it would really bring your eyes out and make them pop. And I feel like it would be like a head turner, you know? So I started out using, I believe it was a darker blue first. It might be lighter blue. And then we went into like this shimmer. Like that shimmer was so cute. And it didn't take much at all. Look at that shimmer. I was on the phone, y'all, and my friend called me every single time. Every single time I'm about to do my makeup, about to do a video, he FaceTiming me. Sir, I got a video to do. I mean, that's why I was like, I had to do a video, voiceover, but I was messing up. I had messed up on my eyebrows talking to him. I was sitting up here putting the concealer on. Before I drew them in, I was like, yeah, my eyebrows don't look right. And that's what it was. I forgot to draw them in before I did my concealer. You get me all distracted. And now we are blending it out. I didn't really have to blend this out too much, though. I did blend it just a little bit, but it didn't really need it. It didn't need it at all. I was just trying to move the harsh line out the way. Now, this pressed glitter is bomb. Like, I normally use my finger to put the glitter on. It helps me evenly distribute it and where I want it at for placement. If it's not enough or if it's not spread out, I normally just go in and with a brush. But using my finger would be like the best thing to do. That glitter, I love it. Love, love, love it. Right, and I went ahead and took a brush, tried to smooth it out some. It was okay, but I feel like my finger probably did more, did a better job than using a brush. Because the brush, like, it didn't really pick up like I needed it to. You know, your fingers got more, like, the oils in it than anything else. Alright, so I go back in, use my finger to try to pack the glitter on there. So it's a lot better. And it comes out a whole lot shinier. So that's what it looks like once all the glitter is on. So now I'm going to go ahead and place the eyelash. I did that off camera. And then my eyeliner pencil broke, y'all. So I had to use another one. And it's not giving what it needs to give, but it was going to work for this look right now. I was struggling. The struggle was real. I missed my waterproof eyeliner. So now we're going to use the foundation. I always use the Maybelline Fit Me 330. And I always damp my beauty blender. It gives a nice even finish. And it smooths everything out so evenly. And I was thinking about going like a 1 shade lighter. But I was like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to go a shade lighter. I kind of like this one. And then, of course, I had to pull my hair back. I don't want that foundation in my hair. I finally, well, not finally, but I get my hair retwisted Saturday. So I don't know what style I'm going to go for Christmas. I want something different, though. I really do want something different. Go ahead and blend it out right quick. And I'll always try to make sure I get, like, underneath my eyes because I'll always have dark circles underneath my eyes. I don't know why. I normally try to do with foundation, concealer, or probably go underneath, start with a lightener, too, but it just depends on if I feel like doing it. Then we're going to go in with the concealer. And, of course, I do chin, top lip, and middle of my forehead there. I don't really conceal, like, my nose and stuff because I don't need it. I feel like I really don't need it. I'll go and conceal underneath my eyes. I try. Sometimes I put a lot. Sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I'm feeling. I got to see how it looks, like, in the light, in different lighting. I'll go ahead and blend that out right quick. Everything's coming out smooth. And now we're going on to the tab or lip gloss. I have this one in lemon, lime, and I got one at fruit punch. Fruit punch is gone though, but those smell really good. And then we're gonna move into the Glam Light Icy Blue Raspberry Lip Gloss. Y'all probably won't be able to see that one because it is real clear. You're not gonna be able to see it. I thought it smelled like raspberry when I first got it, but then I was like, nah, I just don't. This ain't that. It don't smell like that at all. But the lips are popping though. They look good, so that's all that matter. So now for the takedown, y'all. I had to take my hair down just to let y'all see the whole look together with my hair down. It actually looked pretty good. I was surprised. I would definitely wear this look to like New Year's Eve, Christmas parties. Like that style is really cute. It's really giving. And my hair right now is 12 months locked, so I can't wait until they get longer, y'all. I'm just waiting till they get longer. You're not gonna tell me nothing. You're not gonna be able to tell me anything. All right, y'all. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments down below. And let me know what other type of looks you guys want me to do. Like if you want designs, certain colors that you think will look right together, and I'll see what I can do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.